everyone, I'm Rituka from Class 4B. Today, I and my friends are going to present one of the most important topics of environmental science. That is, can you guess? Soils. Soil is comprised of three layers: topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. Let me explain this with the help of the picture which I have made. This is the topmost layer of the soil. Plants grow in the soil and small life forms like insects and worms also live in the soil. When these plants and animals die, they mix up with the soil and become humus, which makes the soil more fertile. This layer is dark in color and have loose particles. This is subsoil, that is the second layer, like topsoil. It is composed of a mixture of small particles such as sand, silt and clay, but with a much lower percentage of organic matter of humus, and small amount of rocks which are small in size mixed with it. This is bedrock, the last layer, made up of solid rocks. This layer is so hard that even water can't penetrate through it.
Soil is loose material that covers the surface of the earth. It is formed due to weathering of rock and minerals. Weathering is a process in which the rocks are broken down and become pebbles. And soil, there are two agents of weather: wind and water. The fast flowing river and fast speed of wind rock grind and collide with each other, the keeping breaking into smaller pieces. Then they are disrupted to the river bank and the ground. Due to continuous process, weathering layer of soil keep getting deposited. This is how the soil is formed. Thank you. Now I will tell you importance of soil. First, soil supports roots of plants and keep them upright for growth. Second, soil provides us with essential minerals and nutrients. Third, soil provides air and for gases exchange between roots and atmosphere. Fourth, soil is an important part of the building process. 5. Without healthy soil, farmers wouldn't be able to provide us with feed, fiber and food. 6th, the soil is the home of many organisms that improve the structure of the soil and recycle essential nutrients. 7th, useful minerals like coal and petroleum metals like gold, silver, iron, etc. also found in the soil.
So as we have seen that soil is very important for our survival, but due to certain activities like cutting of trees, landslides and floods, the soil erosion takes place, which means that the topsoil is carried away by wind or water. Use plastic and polythene and excessive use of chemicals also pollutes the soil. It takes millions and millions of years for soil to form. Once depleted, it cannot be replaced soon. In order to conserve invaluable natural resource, we must follow certain measures. Afforestation, plant more trees. Second point, avoid using plastic. Third point, avoid using chemicals. Fourth point, terrace farming. Fifth point, river embankment. Sixth point, rotation and cover crops. 7th point, mulching, that is covering the open surface of the ground by layer of some extra minerals.